Okay, guys, super excited. A quick update on how our portfolio is performing. Congratulations to every one of us who is in. A lot of these projects under the ready have gone really up. And because it has gone really up, I totally recommend that you don't buy them if you are just joining the community. Okay, for example, the crowd wall, the seawall project, the seawall project has done, is currently at 0.03. What this means is that the people that bought below, we bought it at 0.008, 0.007, 0.008. So for those that bought, let me see. Those that bought around 0.008, let's go to the weekly level. Those that bought at 0.008, for example, are in massive profit of about 400%, which is good. Very good for all of us. However, you cannot do anything on this again. Not because you don't want to make money, but you must wait for a retracement if you want to go in on this trade. But if you go in on this trade right now, the number of tokens that you are going to be given will be expensive. The number of tokens you're going to be given will be what? Will be expensive. So what are we going to be doing? We're going to be using our tool called Fibonacci. If you come here and click Fibonacci, then we draw the Fibonacci from the low to the high. So I'm going to wait until the market retraces back to 78.6. Now, will all the projects retrace? No, not all of them. But anyone that does not retrace is not worthy your money. So if you put in money right now at 0.03, it's too expensive. So you have to wait for a retracement, okay? Then you buy it off. At the retracement, you go. So this is the tool for Fibonacci, okay, if you want to do it yourself. However, we have set, personally on my own chart here, I've set an alert that anytime it comes back to 0.001, anything below 0.001, this project should alert me, okay? Because that is where I want to go in minimally, or 0.008. Okay, if I go by our ITC strategy, it has to come to minimum. Yes, it has to come to minimum 0.001. So if it has to come to minimum 0.001, I'll come to my alert and I'll say, I'll change the price range to move below. So anytime price moves below 0.001, I will get a Telegram alert or an email alert. You have to set up this kind of alert if you want to be on top of your game, okay? If you want to. So I recommend it, set the alert so that you will be enjoying the retracement. So do that right now. I've set mine so that anytime it comes there, I can add to my position. And if it does not come back, I will wait for the next one that will come back. Another project that is here is MBS. MBS also have done well. It has moved. We have to wait for retracement if you want to join this project now. Like this is already retracing. See it? This is already, sorry. You see it? It's already retracing. So don't be surprised. don't be surprised that it will come to the same thing I said. The same thing. I'll put my Fibonacci. I'll put it here. I'll drag it to the top. I'll set an alert here. I'll put an alert here that when it comes below 0.002, that is the only time I will buy this project. So I'll put an alert anytime below 0.002. That's it. Yes, I will even prefer it should come down more, sir. I prefer it comes down more to 0.015. So anything around that place below, okay, 0.005. So I'll put that there. Anytime it comes there, I'll get a mail, a notification that the market is now there. Mayowa, go and add more positions. So please, I beg you, don't go in. CDOS currently, CDOS has done more than 700% from where I gave us to buy it. Can it retrace back? It can, okay? Can it retrace back? Don't ever say never. So this has gone crazily up. This has gone crazily up, okay? Good. So wait for the retracement. Don't buy now. It's too expensive. Wait for the retracement. Put your Fibonacci from the low. Drag it to the top. Anything below 78.6, I will look for a buy. While at 0.002. So in the nearest future, if it comes to anything below 0.002, I am good. Tell me, let me know. If I want to buy more, I'll buy more. So that is how to navigate in this market. They've all gone up, so wait. We are currently patiently waiting, except the new projects that I'm just giving to us. Seri is also in profit. A lot of them are in profit. Okay. A lot of them are in profit, and we're good to go. So once we see that, we're going to drop it on the Discord group, so that we all can buy as cheap as they are now before the main bull run starts. The next video, I'll tell you more about taking profit. Okay? Talk to you soon.